It's keeping the engine warm so that when you start up, it can go to full 1800 RPM and have no issues. If you do a cold start, it's 30 degrees outside, that generator's not going to start up. Probably be due to underspeed, because it can't get up to its RPM because it's too cold. It can't burn the fuel. I think they're basically do the same function. You're heating the water in the engine to keep the whole engine and the cooling system up to temperature. It's the main reason why you have a block heater, keep it to temperature, so when you start it, it's ready on demand. The oil's warm, the water's warm,